Hello, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 27, 2020, and so there's a tropical storm warning that's supposed to it's affecting here in Pensacola. Tropical storm Zeta. I don't know if it's gonna turn into a hurricane, and I have until Saturday to be here, and but I mean that's all the money I have is Saturday to be here, and I don't know if tropical storm Zeta is gonna affect us or anything like that, and or if it's gonna hit us. And all I have is I counted. I have like a little over $15 in cash, and excuse me, about $35 and some change in the bank. So I don't know if the Hurricane Zeta is gonna hit us or not. And I'm supposed to be back on the streets on by Saturday. So this is not about being greedy or money hungry or trying to get attention or whatever, or this is about safety, and it's not my fault that I can't afford a permanent place to live, or that basically I need assistance, I need help with a permanent place to live. So if anybody has any heart, please help out. It's just for extra hotel rooms to stay in, food and water and stuff like that. That's all I'm asking. I don't have any need to, take the money and spend it on anything luxury, and I'm not on drugs. I don't do alcohol or anything. I don't drink alcohol or do drugs or anything like that. So, thanks for listening, and thanks for any help. Bye bye.